Good afternoon everyone. In today's class of marketing, I will discuss importance of pricing. Till the time in the last video I have discussed objectives of pricing. Now I am discussing here Unit 2 Session 1 Importance of pricing. So we know pricing is an important element of marketing mix of as we know marketing mix has 4 P's: product, price, place, promotion. So all the 4 P's of marketing, that is product, place, promotion, are highly dependent on price at which the firm can sell its product to the buyers. That's why price is important for every organization. Price will usually be set relatively high by firm is if manufacturing is expensive, distribution and promotion are exclusive. On the contrary, a low price may be a viable substitute for product quality, but firm requires effective promotion and energetic selling efforts to increase its market share. Similarly, consumers' buying decisions also depend upon price of the product to great extent. Highly priced commodities generally witness a sluggish sale trend in comparison to moderately priced goods. Simple. Pricing is one of the 4 P's of marketing: means product, price, place, promotion. So all the other 3 P's, product, place and promotion, depend on pricing. And in simple, if we are having good reasonable price, then only we can get customers. We can survive for long time in market. So price must be set properly. It is important. So here is importance of pricing for firm, point A. Second, importance of pricing to consumers or customer. So pricing is important for firm and customers both. So for firm, importance of pricing for firm, here it is written, pricing is significant for firm in the following manner. 8 points are there. First point, pricing is important for firm in that way to determine firm's competitive position in market share. Simple. If pricing is proper, then only firm can be in competition and get market share. If your price is better than your competitor, then only you can survive in competitive position and get better share of market. Simple. Pricing policy of a firm is major determinant of firm success as it affects firm's competitive position and share in market. If prices are too high, business is lost. If prices are too low, firm will be lost. Because if prices are too low, business cannot survive in the organization. But if prices are too low, means your cost is greater than your price. Your prices are lower than cost also. Then firm will be greater. Firm will be in greater loss. So the wrong price can also negatively affect sales and cash flow of the firm. Cash flow means cash inflow and outflow. To achieve financial goal of the company, yes, pricing is important because pricing brings revenue and profit in organization. So to achieve financial goal of company, good pricing must be there. Price has an important bearing on the firm's financial goals, that is revenue and profit, revenue after sale profit. For a given level of production, higher price means a higher revenue and higher profitability, revenue minus cost. With the help of price, firm can make estimates of expected revenue and profit. Simple. If pricing is better, then profit will be there, revenue will be there and financial goals of the company can be achieved. Third, to determine the quantum of production. Yes, if pricing is proper, then only we can decide how much to produce. Price also helps to determine the quantum of production which should be carried out by the firm. The management of a firm can make estimates of profit at different levels of production at different prices and can choose the best combination of production, volume and price. Okay, next point 4, to determine the product positioning and distribution in the market. Means our pricing, good pricing or reasonable pricing decides our product's positioning and distribution in the market. The sale of product is supported by extensive advertising and promotional campaigns. What type of promotional technique is used and how cost will be incurred, then these decisions depend on prospective revenue of firm, again after sale profit, which again are influenced by product price. Next, to determine the quality and variance in production. Yes, means आप कितनी quality रख रहे हो according to your price, it will also depend. Before setting the price, managers try to explore Will customer buy the product at that price to fit the realities of the marketplace? This helps them to determine various product models that can be produced to fit different market segments. Example, Samsung offers Samsung Grand for a medium income group and Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge for a high income group of customers. Means quality आप उतनी रखेंगे according to your pricing. For medium class, Samsung sells Samsung Grand. For upper class, Samsung sells Samsung 7 Edge, Samsung Galaxy 7 S7. So what is this? According to price, quality and variety will be there. 6. To establish consistency with the other variables in the marketing mix. As we know, 4 P's are there. So according to pricing, other variable will also depend. Pricing decisions and policy directly influence nature and quality of product, its packaging, promotion policy, channel of distribution, etc. Okay. No need to write or study other things in this. This much is all enough. Means pricing के according other things effect होते हैं. Point 7. Helpful in maintaining system of free enterprise and long run survival of firm. Means freely your organization can work if your pricing is proper and it can survive for long run. Means for long time it can survive in market. Pricing is the key activity in economy. Economy means पूरी whole country of a country which permits system of free enterprise. It influences factor prices, wages means mazduri, interest, rent and profit by regulation, production and allocating resources in a better way. The firms which are not able to market their products at good prices cannot survive in long run. मीन जो कंपनी अच्छे से वर्क नहीं कर सकती हैं, they can't survive in long run as they are not able to pay for various factor of production. So pricing weeds out inefficient firms and shows way to long run survival. Next, last, improvement in company's image. Yes, finally, if pricing is proper, customer will come. Definitely company reputation, company goodwill, company image will increase. A company's image is important to its success and pricing helps to make that image. A firm with an established reputation for quality at existing price lines may introduce a new product at either higher or low prices to attract different market segments. Buyers who are aware of its prestige might desire to purchase its products because price no longer remains a limited factor for them. For example, different models of Apple mobiles have good demand in the market in spite of being high priced. It means if we are having good pricing, then we can have good image of our products and our company have good image in the market. But if our pricing is not proper, we will not be able to achieve good reputation in the market. And if our reputation of company is good, then it is possible that customer will definitely come to us again and again. As we know, if we are having good prestigious products, then in the next product, if we are selling, it will not matter at which price we are selling, at higher or low, it will not matter. Customer will definitely come to us because of our prestige, our image or reputation. Similarly, Apple mobiles, everyone know Apple mobiles are very costly and expensive, but people still buy it because of good quality, prestige, image and reputation, goodwill of Apple company. So that is the importance of pricing to firm. Last point B, importance of pricing to consumers or customers. As we have discussed importance of pricing to firm, similarly importance of pricing to customers or consumers is also there. Customer means purchaser, grahak, consumer means user, उपभोक्ता. So point 1, helpful in decision making. Yeah, pricing helps customer whether to purchase product or not. So goods and services offered by various producers at different prices help the consumer to make rational and informed buying decisions. For example, a person may choose to buy a TV from one shop which offers the product at rupees 20,000 or from another shop which offers the same TV at rupees 21,500 but gives free repair service for 5 years. सो आपको दोनों में से कौन सी शॉप से ख़रीदना है. 20,000 रुपीज़ में टीवी ख़रीदना है और 21,500 रुपीज़ प्लस फ्री रिपेयर फॉर 5 years. सो pricing will be helpful in decision making. Second, helps in satisfaction of needs. Goods and services offered by different producers at different prices help the consumer to take the buying decision which will give him or her maximum satisfaction. By making a market survey and comparing the prices of different variants available vis-a-vis, it means according to his or her budget, the consumer tries to make the best choice. Means according to budget we will buy our product and we will try to satisfy our needs. It gives him or her value for his or her money spent and maximizes satisfaction and welfare. Third, helps determine the purchasing power and standard of living of the consumer. If a consumer purchases expensive luxury items, it implies that he or she has a higher purchasing power and enjoys good standard of living. Means अगर कोई बहुत luxury items expensive पहनता है, it means he or she loves good standard of living. On the other hand, if a consumer purchases only low priced essential items, then he or she has a lower purchasing power and standard of living. This tendency generally persuades consumers to buy branded goods to flaunt their status. Okay, so pricing also helps to determine purchasing power and standard of living of consumer. Last but not least, importance of pricing for customer is enhancement in social welfare. Let's study. Pricing decisions affect the competitive strength of firm in market, since each firm tries to outsell others through price reduction and better quality products in competitive market. Consumers are benefited. In this way, quality goods are available at competitive price, which maximizing social welfare in society. Means if pricing is good, quality is also there, then it will also help or enhance means improve in social welfare. So that is importance of pricing. Point A, importance of pricing for firm. Point B, importance of pricing to consumers. So we are done with session 1. Here are some knowledge assessment questions. True, false, fill in the blank, just do it. It's an important thing. Every time you must have knowledge assessment, just do it every time. Thanks for listening. Next, I will start next session in next video. Thank you for listening.